All right, when you think 80s cars, especially 80s cool cars, here's one that's usually at the top or near the top of everybody's list. 1989 Pontiac Trans Am pace car, otherwise known as a TTA for Turbo Trans Am. Limited production on these, only approximately 1,500 of these were made. Nice part about this one, less than 10,000 miles, a little over 9,000 miles on this car. Clean Carfax, indicating no accidents. As you can see, front end of the car, very nice shape, not full of rocks, chips, scratches, curb rash, anything like that. Underneath the hood, the engine that found former fame with the GNX Buicks is that 3800 turbocharged V6. It was rated, I would have to say, on the light side at 250 horse, but listen to this, 300 pound-feet of torque. 340. So wow, because you know the torque's what makes these things get up and move. Quick car, yes, definitely. 4.9 seconds, 0 to 60, and I believe it was Motor Trend top speed in one of these topped out at 153 miles an hour. So nice quick car, fun one to drive right here. Now check out the still pictures so you can see the undersides, interior, under the hood, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link in the description. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you right to the listing of this. And give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you have any questions. These are the stock wheels. Of course, same color in all of these. Would have been white with the camel or saddle interior. The majority of them were leather. There was just a few made with cloth, but leather is what you pretty much always see in these. Leather in this one. Very nice shape. Just what you'd expect with the low miles that it has. And back seats are like new. And of course, T-top car here. And as you can see, seals rubber, nice and pliable. No rust, no bubbling, anything like that. Tell this is a well taken care of car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so check with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see it does have the T-top bag in the rear of this and where it'll strap down. I took the T-tops out for videos and pictures, and again you can check out those still pictures, that underside engine bay. Check it all out. I have not noticed anything that's really been modified on this or that is not stock. Look up and down the driver's side, you see the door's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. But again, pretty much what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. We're going to fire it up to let you check out the engine bay, see and hear it run. Again, interior, what you'd expect out of a car with this type of miles. Door sills not all scraped up. Interior also very nice. Let's go ahead and fire this up and show you the exact miles. Right there, if you can see them, what is it, 9378, 9,378. Of course, cassette player, equalizer, all stock. Power steering, power brakes, AC controls down there. Again, the steering wheel controls. Power mirrors, power windows on the center console. Power locks, door panels, all nice. These cars just have a great sound to them when they idle. That turbocharged 3800. Would be an automatic with overdrive transmission. I'm going to slip around to the back of this so you can hear a little of that V6 sound. And remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Let's get this hood popped, and let's check this engine bay out. All right, here we go. I wanted to flip the headlights up for you too. So when I pop the hood, flip the headlights, you see those are up. Look how clean this headliner is. Check out this engine bay. One thing that has been changed, I did notice when I hit pop the hood, the AC has been converted to 134A retrofit. There it is. That underrated 250, 340 pound-feet of torque, 250 horse engine. These will get up and move. We've got a few of these around, and think back to those GNX days, that same engine. Great performance. So there you have it, 1989 Pontiac Trans Am, official pace car, TTA Turbo Trans Am. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the link, or in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right here. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call or email in. Look forward to hearing from you on this video.